I'm going to tell you something right now and you're going to be very shocked. Math is the easiest subject on this planet. Every other subject has a range of different solutions to the questions. But math, the beauty of math is that you only have one solution. So your answer is either right or wrong. There is no in between. And this makes it incredibly easy to study for math. You don't have to worry about the different solutions to one problem because there is only one solution. So this makes it incredibly easy to study for. And many people fall into the math trap. They don't study. And when I say you need to study for math, I really mean that you need to study because math is like a wall. It's like a bunch of bricks that are laid upon each other. You take one of the bricks, especially if it's a break down in the foundations of the wall. The whole wall comes crumbling down. The whole wall. So, how do you study for math? We've already established that you need to study. My best recommendation is that you study for math at least 5 times a day, Monday through Friday. And then you don't want to burn out. You don't want to study too much. So study for 45 minutes to an hour a day of math. In the beginning. If you're just starting out, start off with 30 minutes. Okay? I don't want you to burn out. I just want you to dip your feet into the whole math world. Okay? Dip your feet with 30 minutes a day. Do it for a week, for 5 days. And then you could step up to 45 minutes and eventually go up to the hour mark. And then from there, you could decide to go up even more or stay where you are. Because you will see a lot of progress once you do this. And it really depends on your math course. How hard is it? How you feel. If you still feel that it's hard to keep up, then obviously you want to study more and more. But you don't want to try to study for 5 hours a day of math because at this, especially if you're in high school, it's not really healthy for you because the math that you learn in high school is incredibly easy. It's incredibly trivial and it doesn't require all that just suffering and studying. It's just way too easy. You could do it in less than an hour a day of work. So yeah, structure up your week, know when and what you're going to study, and just study. And then keep in mind that math builds upon each other. So if you learn this one concept from this one chapter, I am telling you that chances are that you're going to use that same concept in the other chapter. And if you haven't mastered that concept, you won't be able to pass the test on the other chapter. Okay, now, how do you want to study? Studying math is not just reading a book and memorizing. No. You need to be solving exercises. So you listening to a lecture should be maybe even 10% of your studying period. The other 90% should be you solving problems. You want to start off with easy problems and go just start going up and up and up until you're at the very, very hard problems. Now you have your course book, you have your problems there, exercises there to practice on. If you feel that they're too easy or if you feel that you're done with them and you still want to study more, then you are lucky because at your age, at this age right now, you have the internet. You're one Google search away from thousands, tens of thousands of math exercises on every topic that might come to mind. So you use Google, you use your course book, you use your friends, if you have a smart friend or just someone who you feel that just knows math and that just thinks that math is easy and that could help you, contact them. Become their friends because you will benefit from them. That's it. If you follow all the steps that I've told you in this video, it's over. You are a straight A student when it comes to math. Keep that in mind. Tell yourself right now, after you click off this video, I will get an A on my math class, as long as I follow all the steps that Sepp told me. And you're just going to get an A. It's that simple.